nothing to roast in there. What's that, like marshmallows?
Yeah, if we had marshmallow, like.
Yeah. Okay, give us your own story, yeah? It can be made up, fake, anything you want.
That's the fire.
Do you want to go?
No, I'm going last.
No.
I need.
Well, my dad, Jennifer, you go.
No, I don't even have a story.
You go first.
Oh, my dad already went, so I'm going second. Why you?
He's like, why are you filming?
Oh, de allá. Yo pensé que estaba hablando.
Ooh, campfire night. Campfire.
Okay, so
Oh my god, can I try?
be on guys.
Wait, can I just. Wait. Sorry, just let me put this over here.
Jokes counts as story. Okay, now.
Oh, I wish we could play Truth or Dare.
Hey, Simba, truth or dare? Okay, yeah, we can do it.
Whoa, Jennifer, we're gonna play Truth or Dare. Okay. Oh my god, you just like burned it. I can't move it back.
No estés tirando cosas tan por arriba allí. ¿Quieres que te llamen los bomberos? ¿Puede volar una llama para otra casa, hombre?
We have extra water right here. Can you hold this?
Yeah.
Come here, tell them what we're doing.
Yeah.
Okay, someone make a joke. I get it. Okay, truth and dare. Go.
We're playing Truth or Dare. Who's gonna go first?
I'll go.
Okay,
Truth or dare?
me or all of us?
All of you.
Okay, so Jennifer.
Truth or dare? Hit the scenario que José encima or hit the, I don't know.
Look at her.
Okay, so, okay, truth or dare. Okay, Kenzie, you first. What do you choose? Truth or dare?
Dare.
Hubieras ido a la manguera y le hubieras puesto la cosa, ¿ves? Del agua.
What? Couldn't have a color really after.
We should choose.
Okay, so what do you choose? Truth or dare?
Dare.
Okay, I
What's
don't
my
know.
dare?
Jennifer, do you have a dare for Kenzie?
Nothing about like putting my hand in the fire. Who would ever dare me to do that? Okay, I'll just pick True. Just say something.
Eat the sleeve.
Oh, you dare me to eat the sleeve? Do I have to eat the whole thing?
Sure, why not?
No, I'm gonna eat this.
Yeah, eat it.
You eat it. Eat it.
No, you got dared.
You eat it.
You're the one.
I'm not
dared.
eating the stem.
Fine, don't eat the sun then.
I'm eating a leaf.
You get Scooby his phone.
It tastes like burned lettuce. It tastes like
Okay.
burned lettuce.
Jennifer, truth or dare?
Can I do it? Can I do it? Can I do it? Ooh.
Have you ever
No,
have you ever done anything embarrassing in public?
Let me think about it. Yeah.
And then you explain what you did.
No.
Tell us what you did.
Didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
No
yeah.
le hagas así,
Okay,
porque
okay.
tira chispas, ¿ok?
Okay.
¿O qué quiere? ¿Que el party over?
No.
Ah, pues.
Cry and then I fell. I was crying, then I fell.
¿Ah, tú, papá?
¿Mm?
¿Tú te repajas algo así como